Hey guys, my name is Damien Black. Today I'm going to show you a risk-free passive income strategy that makes me over $100 every single day. It's pretty risk-free and it's as simple as it gets. You just have to set up the entire system and drive traffic to the offer. Okay, so step number one is you have to partner with the right affiliate program. Now this means that you have to promote a program which you use and which you 100% believe in. Now for my instance, I promote the Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program. Now this is a perfect product for my niche because I'm in the make money online niche and people who watch my content are interested in making money online. And this is an awesome 15-day business builder challenge. It's only $7, so that's why it's perfect for my niche. Now, this is a huge company. It's owned by David Sharp, and I was on the leaderboard a few days ago. As you can see here, Damien Black. I took a quick screenshot because it's a huge achievement for me. So I'd love to go into my affiliates dashboard and show you how much I make, but it's against the compliances and it's against the terms of service of Legendary Marketer, so I cannot go into my reports, my commissions, and show you how much I actually make. But that was just a quick screenshot that I was on the leaderboard, on the scoreboard, and this is, the people who make the most commissions, and I was there one day. Okay, so this is just proof that I do make money with Legendary Marketer. Now, Legendary Marketer is a perfect affiliate program for people like me who promote business opportunities online. Now, this is step number one. You have to partner with the right affiliate program. Now, step number two, you have to have a system, an automated system that does the selling and telling for you. Now, the automated system is a simple funnel. So this is my system, which I use to sell a Legendary Marketer. This is the opt-in page, and this is the first step in my funnel. When somebody comes here, they enter their email, and that is saved to my email marketing campaign. And once they enter their email, they get then sent to the bridge page. Now this is a pre-sales page, which I tell a bit more about Legendary Marketer. And if they are interested, they're gonna go here, they're gonna click start now, and they're gonna go to the they're gonna go to the Legendary Marketer sales page. Okay, this is the Legendary Marketer sales page. Now when they click get started, they check out, they purchase the $7 course, and I get a commission, right? Now that's just a simple automated system. This takes a couple of minutes to set up, or a couple of hours, depending on how tech savvy you are. Okay, so you need an automated system. That is the second thing you need. Now the third thing you need is an email marketing autoresponder. Now what this does, let me show you. This is my campaign, okay, and all the people that enter their email on this page, they get sent to my email list, or they get saved to my email list. So these are all the people who enter their email. And now what I can do is click autoresponders, and these are the automated emails that get sent out once they enter their email. So let me show you a grid view. So on day number 1, they get 2 emails. On day number 3, they get 1 email for 1 email, and they get sent emails every single day or every single other day based on my setup. So this is the email sequence I use, and it's provided by Legendary Marketer. So if you decide that you want to promote Legendary Marketer, all you have to do is go affiliates, and here is your Legendary Marketer affiliates dashboard, and you can use all the resources here in the back, and they will teach you how to set up your funnel, how to set up your email sequence. They will give you all the email templates and so on. Okay, so you don't have to write anything. I mean, this is all just copy and paste, and it works perfectly for me. Now guys, the most important part about this entire passive income strategy is your traffic source, because obviously without traffic you are going to be lost. There is just no way you're going to make money without traffic. So that's why this is as simple as it gets, guys. Listen up, listen really carefully. once you set everything up, right? Once you pick an affiliate program, once you set up the funnel, once you set up your emails, once everything is set up, your only goal, only thing you must be doing every day consistently is sending traffic. You can do this a couple of ways. You can do this for free or you can do it paid. Now, if you guys watch my YouTube channel, then most of you guys will know that I love free traffic, and specifically I love YouTube and TikTok. This is my YouTube channel. I use this channel to drive traffic to my offers, and this is my TikTok. I use this TikTok to drive traffic to the exact same offer, or sometimes I drive it to my YouTube channel. Now, once you create, it doesn't get simpler than this. If you're not willing to create a couple of simple YouTube videos, you can even do it without showing your face, like I'm not showing my face on this video. You can just do a voiceover like me, a quick tutorial. If you're not willing to do that, guys, then I'm sorry, you will get hit by the harsh reality and you will end up nowhere. Because creating omnipresence and leveraging YouTube or TikTok and building up your social media platform is the way to go if you really want to build a profitable business online. At the end of the day, I don't spend a single dime on paid traffic. Everything is organic, everything is free. So all of my commissions are literally 100% profit. The only thing I pay for is the funnel builder, ClickFunnels, my domain, and that's simply it, and my autoresponder, sorry. So I just pay for 3 things and everything else is free. Now the secret with your free traffic source is staying consistent every single day, and creating a YouTube video every day or a piece of content on TikTok is the way to go. Guys, let me show you something. Let me show you the Legendary Marketer scoreboard. All of these guys on the scoreboard, every single one of these guys on the scoreboard are either TikTokers or YouTubers. Literally every single one of these guys. For example, let's go to, it doesn't matter, let's just go Brian Brewer. This guy is 2x platinum. That means that he has made over $200,000 in commissions. Let's just see if he pops up. Of course he does. He has over 100,000 followers on TikTok. Do you see, guys, what I'm saying? All of these guys are free traffic source users, okay? So they either use YouTube or TikTok. So this is not a scam, guys. Affiliate marketing is not a scam. This is how it works. People drive traffic from TikTok or YouTube to already established affiliate programs like Legendary Marketer that does all the selling and telling for you, and they simply collect the commission. All of these guys have their own system set up, but at the end of the day, every single one of these guys sends traffic consistently. So that's the secret behind how to create a risk-free passive income strategy in 2021. And I hope you guys found value in this video. I'm trying to be as transparent as possible. And again, if you want to learn how to build an online business, then I would really highly recommend you take the 15-day Business Builder Challenge by David Sharp. This is the exact same challenge I took when I was starting out. It will really open your eyes. It's just $7, nothing expensive. You don't have to buy any expensive course on the back end. It's just $7. He will give you daily tasks, and if you do sign up to the affiliate program, you will get a bunch of email swipes, the funnel itself, you will get a bunch of resources, the community is great, you will get access to the Facebook group. So guys, why not be a part of this awesome community for just $7, right? Make sure to hit the first link in the description if you're interested. I have a bunch of bonuses that you might be interested in, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.